No, I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing. I promise you, I am not laughing. Uh, Peter's home. The police have dropped the charges, and the the hospital released him from the firework debacle last night. They were prematurely set off after Peter went for a walk. I told you to stop smoking a year ago. Smoking and fireworks do not go together. I'm sorry. Stop. No, he's not laughing. How could you tell if he's laughing? You're almost blind. No, what you hear is him sniffling. I think they're getting colds. Uh, we hope you had a wonderful 4th of July, and I guess we'll move on to Christmas in July. Do they have fireworks during Christmas in July? Maybe we'll see.